What is nursing home abuse and neglect? Obviously, abuse is an intentional act by someone to hurt your loved one. Any such thing should be reported to the state of Iowa. Neglect is slightly different. It means that someone simply didn't do their job. They were careless or reckless or even just negligent and didn't do what they were supposed to do. Nursing home neglect comes in many forms, many shapes and sizes. Often we see cases where people are not being protected from injuring themselves, such as falls. People get poor nutrition or hydration. All of these things were addressed way back in 1987 in the Nursing Home Reform Act. Nursing homes who choose to accept federal dollars in the form of Medicare or Medicaid must comply with those laws. Those laws have been then codified into Iowa law. A violation of those laws can be a form of neglect. So can a violation of the contract that you entered into with the nursing home. They were paid to do a job, and if they're not doing their job, it could be neglect. So make sure they're doing their job and hold them accountable. Some specific things to consider are preventable falls, skin breakdown, hydration and nutrition issues, medication errors, elopements, anything that relates generally to the care of your loved one. Use your common sense. Should this be happening? If not, it may very well be neglect. There are some things you can do to help prevent neglect from occurring. Visit the nursing home often and at unexpected times. Make sure that you have a good communication with the nursing director. Also, make sure that you are frequently checking in on your loved one by phone or other methods when you can't be there. Make sure you keep a good eye on your loved one's overall care, their weight, their skin condition, and if you see problems, report them. It's important for you to have as good of a working relationship as you can with the director of nursing, the administrator, and all the staff. When you do this, that then will facilitate communication if there are any problems happening. You then will feel comfortable coming to them with any problems. Make no mistake, their job is a hard job, but they're also paid well to do it. You need to approach them decently and respectfully and document any concerns you have. But if you have a good relationship with several different workers, if someone else isn't doing their job, you may find that one of the workers comes to you about that concern themselves. And you want to have as many good relationships as you can with the staff. If you have concerns or suspect any neglect, you definitely should report it to the administrator and the director of nursing, and you should document that. An email is just fine. You don't want to be accusatory or unprofessional. You want to respectfully let them know what your concerns are. If it's not addressed, you want to make sure that you report it to the state of Iowa. If you have any concerns about the safety and well-being of your loved one, you need to report that to the state of Iowa. And you should call a nursing home abuse and neglect lawyer to discuss your options. RSH Legal practices in the area of nursing home negligence and abuse. If you have concerns about the safety and well-being of your loved one in a nursing home, call 1-800-433-0283. RSH Legal, fighting for fairness.